Saint Germain. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Continuing to breathe, opening the body, being aware of your own body individually, of any stiff places in the body, being aware of your body individually, of any stiff places in the body, any places that are hard, any places that are tight, any places that are hurting, in the emotional body, in the mental body, in any of the bodies, drawing that breath in and breathing deeply, deeply, drawing that breath in and breathing deeply, deeply. Divine Mother, Divine Father, Ascended Masters, Archangels, Guides, Guardians, I come on behalf of all the individuals in the circle this evening, all the individuals. As you're breathing in and the energy vibration of the violet flame comes through the body, we are Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. We are Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Drawing that breath into your body, resonate by calling my name with the violet flame. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. We are Saint Germain speaking to you from the higher planes. You have called, we have responded. We respond to you this evening. We respond from the center of the violet flame, from the heart of the violet flame. We are Saint Germain. We ask you to open your heart to the violet flame. Your heart opens to the violet flame, and you have the opportunity to be in the center of the violet flame. These two realities can happen at once. This is something that is important for your consciousness right now to understand. Many things are happening on many planes, and yet you focus on the third dimension. You who know of the other dimension, focus on the third dimension and the dissension in the third dimension. The dissension in the third dimension, the degree of separation, the illusion of separation is exactly that, an illusion. And you are living in a time when transmutation, transformation happens. It happens in a moment. You are remembering collectively through your karmic threads, emotionally, mentally, viscerally even, you are remembering collectively memories of other times, memories of fear, memories of pain. Those memories are coming up to the surface to be transmutated. Look around you in the physical world. It is a world of polarity, of struggle. And yet we tell you this is illusionary. You might be shrugging your shoulders and struggling in your own mind to understand this. Hold the palms open around the heart chakra now. Visualize the violet flame, calling my name internally, each one of you, Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. Tone now together 5 times and bring in the violet flame through your system, through your body, the violet flame of Saint Germain. There are many realities. We invite you now, in this moment, to step into the reality of the violet flame. Open your palms and call my name, Saint Germain, entering into the violet flame, breathing into the body, breathing in through your nostrils, breathing in through your pores, connecting to the violet flame. Allow your minds to relax and keep your bodies open. Keep your bodies open. You are opening to the vibration of fear, for the vibration of fear to be transformed. You are embracing that vibration inside of yourself as old karmic patterns come to the surface. There is a tremendous karmic release right now of the Atlantean energy that brought forth to this area There's a huge concentrated amount of Atlanteans, particularly in the generation that you have called the baby boomers, that are in this area of the world. Many of those Atlanteans hold old polarized notions that you now call, in this part of the world, the patriarchal white male energy vibration. That energy vibration is coming into the physical world from emotional and karmic patterns to be released. It's very important that you understand duality. It's very important that you understand polarity. And the way that you understand it most fully is by going inward into the space created by the heart. The minds and the emotions right now are rattling tremendously, for there are shocks going through the systems. Those of you who have tended to be more progressive in your thinking, those of you who have tended to hold on to the vision of a new world, a rainbow world, a unity conscious world, have had pictures that you have held polarizing the other side of reality. We are asking you to destroy those pictures now. Energy destruction, in a sense. Destroying the pictures, destroying the old vibratory pictures that you hold of peace and harmony. This might sound counterintuitive, counterproductive, and even polarizing in itself. We're asking you to step into the center of the flame. You can step into the center of the flame and look through the violet flame. Look through the new vision. Look through to the new earth, dropping what is right in front of your face at this time, and not reacting from emotions, and not reacting from fears of the past and mental images based on pictures of the way you would like to see the reality be. We are Saint Germain. Your hearts have a different knowing, and your hearts have a solution. By stepping into the void, you can understand transmutation. We have spoken to you over the years about transmutation happening from being fully present in the moment. There is a human tendency to move away from being fully present with pain and with sorrow. And therefore, you are having an opportunity to move into pain and sorrow. And much of this pain and sorrow is collectively, viscerally, in memories, cellular memories of the human system. You are remembering times, each one of you, all the way back to even times beyond this earth and your earth. In your earth experiences, you are remembering star experiencings where there was polarizations, where there were star wars. And so it is a time of a great cracking. Those of sensitives on the planet, and there's a large number that have been coming in the generations after the one that was just mentioned, that are have origin points from different planetary systems that... I am Saint Germain. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Continuing to breathe, opening the body, being